Hey,
What?
do you know how much those wheels are cost, bro? No,
What?
these ain't real. These ain't just normal D's.
1 ton.
Do you know? These are OTDs, 1 ton date. Is it how many spokes? I think it's 200.
Yeah, 208.
280. But that means are the spokes thicker, bro? Right?